Hey, what's up guys, this is Mostak here. Let's talk about a productive device from Brother. The model of this device is Brother HL-L2365DW. It's a monocolor laser printer. In the USA region, you can find this machine as Brother HL-L2350DW at around $120. And it's a budget device from Brother. There are few other options from Canon, HP, Epson, Xerox, and other brands in this price segment. Those are certainly good, but this machine meets some fundamentals. Out of the box, you'll get the main unit with a pencil drum, a starter toner, an attached power cable, and some documentation with a driver disk. The exterior of this machine is so cool. It's minimal and clean rather than being bulky and spherical in your desk. And you have only one color option, and that's matte black and gray. It perfectly suits in your small office or home. The shape of this machine is almost square-like. The width is 356mm and the length is 360mm and stands high with 180mm surface. There are few air vents. A big one is on the right side for exhaling air with exhaust fan, and 3 ways for releasing a jammed paper. The first one is the usual drum door, and the second one is at the back, and the last one is a tray at the bottom portion of the back. You can connect this machine by cable or wirelessly. For physical connection, you have 2 options: USB-B cable or Ethernet cable for your LAN devices. So it accepts print order from all of your LAN devices. It's pretty smart. If you want to know how to set up wireless LAN connection in Brother printer, you can check out my other video. Link is in the description.
There are 7 physical buttons, power and Wi-Fi button, and these arrow-marked 2 buttons are the function key. You can go through different function by using these 2 buttons. One selection key, one back key. These 2 work in the menu, and this big guy overrides order for any painting or sticking print job. It has 16 character LCD, but it doesn't have any backlight. Brother could have given this help for an extra $2 for the user.
Okay, let's talk about productivity. In terms of productivity, this machine is full of juice. It covers some pretty good checkboxes. It can print 2600 pages with a single toner process. It can print 30 pages per minute. It supports duplex printing. And you have multiple pages per sheet control. And last but not least, it has a paper tray. You can keep 250 sheets in it.
This paper tray is fully adjustable from A6 to legal size paper. Out of the box, it is set as A4. You have 2 adjustable sliders. Both are leveled from A6 to legal size page. For sideways, you need to press this release knob to adjust this frame to your paper width. For length adjustment from A6 to A4, you need to use this slider by pressing this knob. And the legal length adjustment is a bit trickier. By holding this knob down, you need to slide the tail of the paper and you are good to go for the legal size paper. At the front panel behind this cover, you will meet an adjustable manual feed door too, so you can print custom size paper through this for certain use.
The power efficiency of this machine is so much perfect. Usually laser printer do its job in so much complex way. While it's printing, it needs power in multiple phases. In the printing process, a laser unit selectively discharges all the image or text area of your document onto the drum, and the toner particle meets the paper surface by the drum. After that, a heat roller heats up and embeds all the drawing onto the paper, and we get our sweet printed copy. So while it's printing, it needs electricity in multiple phases. This particular machine requires 331 to 537 watts at the initial stage. After that, when the heat roller heats up, it meets its peak requirement, which is 1080 watt. After the printing process, it goes to sleep mode automatically, but it heads towards your order. With all of its good side, there's a con. Its initial boot time is a bit long. After pressing the power button, every time it takes 26 to 30 seconds to ready for printing. Other than that, it's a perfect printing machine in my opinion. But if you find any other problem, let me know through comment. I'd love to have that. That's it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys in the next one. Stay safe.